In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Kajabi and view traffic from your UTM links. We'll walk through the full process from finding your Google Analytics measurement ID to adding it inside Kajabi and then checking your traffic data once visitors start coming in through your tagged links. This is a useful setup if you want clearer insight into where your traffic is coming from and how your campaigns are performing. First, open Google Analytics and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to the admin area. From there, select data streams. In this section, you'll see the details for your website stream, including your measurement ID. This is the tracking ID you need, and it begins with G. Go ahead and copy that ID carefully because you'll paste it into Kajabi in just a moment. Next, open Kajabi and sign into your account. After you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Inside Settings, find the Site Settings section, then select Third-Party Integrations. This is where Kajabi lets you connect external tools like Google Analytics. Once you're in the integrations area, enable Google Analytics if it isn't already turned on. Then paste your measurement ID into the Google Analytics field. Make sure the ID is entered correctly, especially the G at the beginning, since even a small typo can prevent tracking from working properly. After that, click Save to apply the change. At this point, Kajabi and Google Analytics are connected. Keep in mind that you won't see UTM data immediately unless those links are already receiving traffic. So after your UTM links have started getting visits, go back to Google Analytics to review the results. Open Google Analytics again, then go to Reports. From there, select Acquisition and then Traffic Acquisition. This report helps you understand how users are arriving at your site. To specifically view traffic from your UTM links, change the primary dimension in the report to Session, Source, Medium, or Session Campaign. These views are especially helpful because they let you identify the source, medium, or campaign values attached to your UTM parameters. If your links were tagged properly, you should be able to see which campaigns or traffic sources are driving visits. That's it. Once this is set up, you'll have a much better way to track marketing performance inside Kajabi using Google Analytics.